just a little cosmetic fix for the front. And if you've never pulled the front end off on this, it's really, really simple. And then we're gonna go with a clear look. I've already got the bulbs out, but I wanted to show you how this whole front end comes off. It's just clips, and they basically just pull out. And you've got multiple across the front, and once you unclip it, the whole thing just comes off. All right, so here it is pulled off, and I'll just show you. We've got just multiple press clips. This is the top, just multiple press clips. There's no screws that attach it. It's just a matter of popping it off. Now the lights, these lights that are in here, once you get the bulb out, they are super simple. It is just one clip. Literally, you just unclip it and the whole light falls right out. That's it. It's that clip, and then there's another one on the back side that you just have to press out, and then the whole assembly comes off. Now, once you have the new lights in and you go to replace and snap the bulbs back in, if you have clear, if you're going to clear, you're gonna have to switch these over to amber bulbs. There it is, new clear markers and turn signals, and the next step is new headlights. Halos are going in next.